What is going on? Welcome back to Trending Stocks. Today is August the 7th. I want to give you a quick pre-market update, go over some of the hot movers and what big money is doing today. Before I get into any of that, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. And with that, let's get right to it. So no real data points once again today that's going to disrupt the broader market. No Fed speaker, so it is going to be another technical driven day. Fear and greed index is at 24, so still under the extreme fear category, despite being kind of in this zone for the last about 3 trading days. You see, for the most part, a nice recovery. So NASDAQ is currently up 1.27%, S&P 1.07. So I think all in all, maybe we might be having a recovery. There is still a lot of people talking on how there could be a secondary pullback, and they're kind of preparing for that, but we'll just have to wait and see. Starting off with SoFi, it is up 2.18% this morning. Actual no news, nothing like that. So it is just piggybacking off of the broader market. They did submit their 10Q yesterday, but I don't think that's the attributing factor to it going up this morning. Shorts have been somewhat stagnant, as you can kind of see with SoFi. So it's been just lingering around the 16% range. I don't know what they're anticipating. Maybe they're anticipating a second pullback, because when that did happen, they really did increase quite a lot. So I don't know, we'll just have to wait and see. But 16.71% of the free floats being shorted, short score 71.04. And so yeah, all in all, fun time. Right now though, with it at $6.58, it is trading between these 2 points, so this S1 and the pivot. So 652 will be a strong support, and then on the flip side, 725 will be the next strong resistance / target. So kind of just watch for this strong support to hold, and if it does flirt around this, then you're going to probably see some manipulation from shorts just to suppress it below that 650 mark, of course correlated with options. Moving on, so Lumen did have their earnings. It is up 39.2%. Overall, pretty good stuff for that. It is also heavily shorted, so this is something that I have brought up in the past. Actually, in fact, it was of the top 5 stocks on my last, I guess, squeeze video, top 5, but 12.83% of the free float is being shorted. Works out to be 127.36 million shares overall are being shorted. You can see shorts have returned quite a lot over this last little bit, but still, there's quite a lot still lingering. And just to put it in perspective, over the last 5 days, it is up 24.3%. Over the last 1 month, it is up 348.31%. And this stock, for brokerage standpoint, is considered a relatively risky stock. So anyone who is shorting this company has to have some pretty deep pockets, because the margin requirements would be huge. So kind of just watch for that, maybe as far as a secondary squeeze or something. But right now, with it at $7, it is trading between this R2 and this R3. So 821 will be the next strong target / resistance. 618 will be the strong support. Lyft had their earnings. It is down. They actually did have relatively good numbers, just their future guidance is what they didn't really hit the mark on, so it is down 13.58%. In all honesty, this one is, I'm gonna do a little bit more of a deeper dive after this video into this. I might be making a little bit of a position in this. It is heavily shorted as well, so 13.36% of the free floats being shorted. You can kind of see that shorts, they've been getting in a little bit, but they probably did anticipate good earnings, because if not, they would have been similar to these kind of scenarios back in, where was it, October 2023. So yeah, unique stock, very much getting slaughtered. So with it right now at 928, it is trading between this S2 and this S1. So 724 will be the strong support. Don't anticipate that to be touched. If anything, it is going to flirt with this S1. So yeah, just tread cautiously. But this stock, in my opinion at least, based on the numbers that they put out today, they seem pretty good. Disney also did have their earnings. They are pulling back. This is some of the key metrics. So the current revenue was a slight beat. It looks like they did raise guidance on earnings per share. So yeah, I think kind of seems okay. I think the actual call is still going on right now. but it's not heavily shorted, so you can kind of see 1.23% of the free float's being shorted. If you are looking at trading this, clearly I do not have Disney up, I will pull this up. So right now, if you're looking at trading Disney with it at 87.92, it is trading between this S2 and this S1. So 87.71 will be the strong support, and then 90.19 will be the next strong resistance / target. In my opinion, based on at least the numbers, unless they're saying something kind of dramatic right now, I don't see it breaking below this S2. Rather, it might be kind of just flirting with that kind of section around here on the lower side pretty much throughout the day. So we'll just have to wait and see. And a lot of money is getting into G1, so ticker GTHX. So it is up 66.12%. The only problem about this is I wanted to bring this up, but I don't really recommend on investing in it. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. You guys do whatever the hell you want. But with it right now at 706, the reason why they are up is because they are getting acquired. And if you look at it, it looks like they're getting acquired for $7.15. So yes, in theory, if you think that deal is going to go through, you could make a couple cents because the max you will get is $7.15. And just to put that in perspective, let's say it does run, because it is heavily shorted, let's say it runs to $8. Well, guess what? You're going to lose because you're only getting bought out for $7.15, right? So yeah, this stock is something interesting. So if it does pull back for whatever reason, and you might be able to make some kind of good money there, but you'd have to wait until the actual acquisition goes through, and these sometimes are very, very timely. So let me know your thoughts on these stocks. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. One final thing, take advantage of this promo. Simply sign up for a new account, throw $100 at it, and they give you 5 free stocks. Each stock is valued up to $2,000. This has been extended up until the end of August. Take advantage of this. Link in the description below and also comments. With all that said, appreciate all of you watching.